Racing just is started. We have Mayor, Bulaklakin, break, quick, clear start, Isco, Tremendous, Ethan, Lab, Minstrel, Poker Face is on the outside. Then comes Glass Cockpit, Tonozama, Just Vet, Tiffany's Beauty, while last book is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Lab Minstrel, Glass Cockpit is on the outside. Poker Face is racing in third. Then followed by Tremendous, Ethan, Isco, Tonozama. Down the inside now is Mayor, Bulaklakin, Just Vet, Tiffany's Beauty, while last book still racing in less half mile distance. They traveled. We have Glass Cockpit takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second, Lab Minstrel moving up now on the outside is Poker Face. Then followed over by Tremendous, Ethan, Tonosama, Jasper, Isco, Mayor Bulaklakin, Tiffany's Beauty. While as Spoke is still racing in less. Another far turn, we have Poker Face now takes command. Final length and a half. Glass Cockpit drops back in second. Just Bet moving up on the outside is Tremendous Ethan. And as they swing for home, we have Poker Face by about 3 lengths. Glass Cockpit in second, moving up on the outside now is Isco with about 100 meters of the race. Poker Face, Isco moving up on the outside, but it's still Poker Face. And finally, it's Poker Face. Isco, third goes to Glass Cockpit, close with Just Vet. Then comes Tiffany's Beauty. Mayor Bulaklaki.